നാമത്തിൽ ആമേൻ. Dear infant Jesus, who are the little angels, I love you. Make me a good child. Heal my stubbornness, sadness, and my sickness. Bless my father, mother, and my siblings. Make me and my friends lovable children of you. Dear infant Jesus, fill us with your spirit. Amen. Hallowed by the name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen. For this thing in this kingdom, the power and the glory forever and ever. Amen. Three monkeys. Correct, three monkeys.
എന്റെ ജീവനും ജീവന്റെ ജീവനും ഇവിടെയാണ്. ഞാനിതെങ്ങനെ സഹിക്കും?
നല്ല മടിയുണ്ടല്ലേ കുഞ്ചു.